rock and roll.
Hey Vanessa, what's going on?
Hi Greg, how are you doing?
Great, how are you?
I'm great, thank you. Coming to check up on things?
Yes, you know how the house is going here?
There you go. What to do with this little puppy? That little family right
Look
there.
at that, huh?
Not a little crawly plant.
Very cool, I love it. Little birdie. Yeah,
Brings a lot of attention to this beautiful fireplace. I think it's very charming in here.
That's awesome. Love it. Show me around.
All right, got the formal dining room in here. We brought in a nice big mirror here.
Like that.
Right,
Yeah.
as you're walking in from that side, you get to see nice grand family room, and then we have these two niches here that we added, these driftwood vases.
Oh, very cool.
So,
A lot of character still in the house. I love that.
Exactly. And trying to keep things to scale and just bringing out the charm of the home.
Great.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my there goes a sight. There goes a sight. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. I think a fallen angel just walked by.
I think this great room is fantastic. It's huge.
Yeah.
It ties in while mom is cooking, whatever dad's cooking.
Right.
Then the kids are playing.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight.
You have a built-in breakfast nook. This is super charming. The homeowners did a great job remodeling this home.
One of our favorite things is over here.
Okay, let's see.
When you bake, you can put your big machine on here.
Oh,
So you can always take it out, right?
we
So
don't see that in many homes.
put the
Yeah.
mixer right on there, so nice and easy, right?
Yeah, you know how to use one?
No.
Me either.
No,
Yeah,
no.
yeah, it's okay. I love these cage doors.
Oh,
These are very nice.
Great detail.
Yeah, great detail. They just,
Yeah.
follow through the rest of the house.
And a
Nice.
Thermador, great top end range here.
You cook?
Yes.
Okay, good. There you go.
That's awesome.
kitchen. And I think my favorite room
Yeah.
is actually not a room. It's an apartment back
Let's
here.
go.
And a fun barbecue area out in the
Yes.
beautiful backyard.
Beautiful built-in barbecue.
There goes a sight, there goes a sight.
Here we are walking out to the guest house.
There goes a sight from my soul.
Lazy Susan cabinet, which pulls out like this and has the spinning Lazy Susan. Great for space saving.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul.
Have a good night.
Bye. Have a good night. And there she goes, Mom in a box truck.
Hi, this is Greg with Sereno Group. Want to give you an update. We sold that in only a few days. Over asking price. It was listed at $1,749 and we sold for $1,790 with very limited contingency period. The buyers loved it. They came with a very strong offer in a changing marketplace. Big thank you out to Vanessa and her Encore Staging team. They did a great job transforming that house and really showing it to its fullest potential.